Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily copy data from Android to iOS. So how you can easily copy your photos, contacts, your messages and some another information. So how you can do it? You can also do it with this app. Here you can see it, Doctor Phone. So just download this app. You can download it for Windows and for Mac. So just download it and open. So after you open it, you can see here that you can also copy data from switch, copy data from one phone to another. So just open it. So we need to download this option. So just click on download after you, because I didn't update this app, and that's why I need to download some updates for using this option in this application. So just wait some time until it will successfully install it on your laptop. So now just click on switch. So here you can see our Android device and iPhone. So we need to authorize on our phone. So you need to get access for your computer to get your data from phone. So just allow it on your phone. And also here you can see what info you can also copy. So just wait some time until it will successfully install all the info to your Android device, and you just choose, after it will successfully install all the components, you just choose components you want to copy and just click on Start Transfer, and it will successfully transfer your selected files to your iPhone. You can also do it in another way, so from iPhone to Android, or from Android to Android, or from iPhone to iPhone. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.